Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. There is no doubt that the provisions applicable was Article 10 of the first schedule to the Limitation Act, full stop. Under that article, comma, it begins to run when the purchaser takes under the sale sought to be impeached physical possession of the whole of the property sold, or where the subject of the sale does not admit of physical possession, comma, when the instrument of sale is registered, full stop, as a part of the land was comprised of shares, comma, this was a case in which the subject of the sale did not admit of physical possession, full stop. It must follow, comma, therefore that time began to run against the plaintiff when the instrument of sale was registered, full stop, new para. In the Supreme Court of India case, comma, namely Ram Sara Lal and others versus Musammat Domini and others, comma, the sale was governed by the Islamic law of preemption, full stop. The deed of sale was executed on January 31, 1946, semicolon. It was presented at the registration office for registration on the same day, semicolon. It was left with the registrar in the registration office for the necessary entries and copies being made, full stop. On February 9, 1946, the documents were copies in the registrar's books, and thereupon the registration become complete as provided in section 61 of the Registration Act, full stop, new para. It was noted that under the Muhammadan law, comma, the right of preemption arises only out of a valid, complete and bona fide sale, that one of the requisites before the right of preemption can be exercised is the preliminary demand by the preemptor, and that such demand must be made after the completion of the sale, full stop. It was held by the High Court that the plaintiffs were not entitled to enforce their right of preemption because they had not made the preliminary demand after the completion of the sale as the law required them to do, full stop. This was therefore not a case under Article 10 of the schedule to the Limitation Act, and the question, full stop.